Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. We have humongous box to unbox today. So let's get started with the small box and then we're gonna go for the large box. So let's get started. So big this time. This time the box is gonna be epic. The unboxing is gonna be epic, guys. Get started. Big. I don't know what I got for this time. So, first of all we have, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but let me try to move everything away so you guys can see. So the first item that I have is, well, not the first item, but I have the Zoom disco figure. I got two of them. I try to hold it and then you can see it because this box is basically blocking the way. So we move it on the side first. Try to move them on the side, but we have two Zoom disco figures. I'm not sure if the glaze that you guys can see it because it's gonna with my new light. So let's just put this on the side. And then let's get back to this box. And then I have a Sumiko Gashi. I think it's a cup, steel cup that you can put hot water in it. There's like two different kinds of styles. I think there's a pink one and a blue one, but I got the blue one. Here we go. And then the last three items that I have from this box, or from the small box, I have put them on the side. Okay, I have the Pokemon. They look like Zoom but like chubby size. I just move up a little bit so you guys can see it. The Firebird, the Monkey, and Centipede. Sure you guys can see it. Here you go. And then let's start with the humongous unboxing, guys. So yeah, today I might need some of my glasses because today I have no staff today, so nobody can help me. So let's get started with the big box, guys. In the camera today, so I need to make sure the camera can see me. Let me just move up a little bit so you guys can see it. Okay. Papers everywhere. So let's continue. Papers. Whew, that's big. So the first item that we have is a Sumiko Gashi adult umbrella. This is the blue one that I want, like aqua blue or baby blue. Can't really remember, but it's a Sumiko Gashi umbrella. So I can use it if I need to change a new umbrella. Okay, and then let's see. And then we have two big plushies from Toreba, which is Mickey and Minnie. I'm sure you guys can see it, but I'll just show it like this. It's for my friend. Here we go. And then I have, let's see, Zoom Zoom, the disco figures again. You just get the fourth one out. Got a big. Here you go. You guys can see it, but it's four of them. Okay, one was shopping. So here you go. Let me put them on the side. I'm getting messy on my bed already. And then the next item that I have, what's this? Oh, it's a crystal season calendar. And then I have a what do we call it? Yeah, Card Captor Sakura figure. There you go. And then let me see. And then we have a fluffy size Pikachu. I'm kind of lazy to take them out today. Here you guys can see it. And then if you guys actually play Toreba, I think you guys have saw the Disney Zodiac, Chinese Zodiac. And then we actually win a couple of them. But let me just move them on the side first. So we basically got the full set. Just let me bring them out because I pretty have like some doubles. I have the cow. Is it cow? Yeah, cow Donald. And then I have a sheep Stitch. And then I have a what's this? A pig Scompy. What Scomp? And then I have a chicken Donald. And I have, wait, so if that's pig, what is that? I don't know, just like the same. Oh, actually, this is the dragon of the Zodiac, and this is the pig. Got messed up. And then I have the dog Stitch, and that is the tiger Stitch. And then I have a bunny Mickey and a snake Donald. I have a mouse Mickey and a horse Mickey. Let's see. And then I have a bunch of, I believe I have, oh, and a Scrumpy for monkey. And the rest, I believe I have all of them are doubles. So if you guys have the double, like I'm actually still looking for like another set, but I don't think anybody can get the set from this because I get the full set. So these are the doubles from the Zodiac. I don't have not that much hands, but these are the doubles. And I still have doubles. Let me show you guys. I have so many doubles. I still have like the dragon, monkey, dog, Stitch, sheep as double, pig as double, and then I also have a chicken as double as Donald. And then they actually had the what do you call it? The Pokemon. They look like Zoom Zoom, just like that metal boxing. So it's the Ninetales, I can't remember the name, Growlithe, and then Vulpix. Pretty cute. And the last item that I have is the Sailor Moon plushie. I can't remember the name, but it says Sailor Poodle. I'm not even sure if that's the same name, but I will give you guys a close picture, and then I will see you guys next time. Hi guys.
So here guys, recap of what we have got from the video. We have 6 Zoom Zoom disco figures, and then we got a Pikachu, fluffy one, and then we have Mickey and Minnie, the plush, and then we have the card captor Sakura, and then the steel cup, the crystal season calendar, and we have the Sailor Moon plush, and then we have the all 6 they look like Zoom Zoom Pokemon, and then we have the full set of the Chinese Zodiac characters over here. You can see Mickey, Donald, Squamp, and Stitch. And then here are the doubles that we have. These are the doubles that we got. So this is what we have got from this unboxing. And thanks for watching guys. Bye!